The legendary billionaire investor Charlie Munger once told an audience of young investors something that sounded shockingly blunt. The first $100,000 is hard, but you gotta do it. I don't care what you have to do. If it means walking everywhere, not eating anything that wasn't bought with a coupon, find a way to get your hands on $100,000. But why did Charlie Munger fixate specifically on $100,000? Why not $50,000 or $250,000? When you first start saving and investing, it feels like pushing a 2-ton boulder up a steep mountain with your bare hands. You sacrifice dinners out, you budget every dollar, and yet your account balance crawls forward at a painfully slow pace. For the first few years, it barely feels worth the effort. But mathematically, the first 6 figures is a massive tipping point. Reaching your first $100,000 can take nearly 8 years of strict discipline. But reaching your second $100,000 takes less than a third of that time, without saving an extra penny out of your pocket. In this video, we're breaking down the raw mathematics of why the first $100,000 is so brutal, how compound interest silently takes over the heavy lifting, and the exact 4-step blueprint to cut years off your timeline. Let's look at the cold, hard numbers that nobody warns you about when you start investing. Imagine you commit to putting $10,000 every single year, about $833 a month, into a diversified S&P 500 index fund earning an average 7% real return. In year 1, you deposit your $10,000. At a 7% return, your money generates just $700. Your balance sits at $10,700. You spent 12 full months skipping expensive dinners, packing lunches, and saying no to weekend trips, and your portfolio rewarded you with barely enough to buy a modest plane ticket. It feels underwhelming. In year 2, you repeat that exact same grind. You deposit another 10 grand. Your interest ticks up to $1,400, bringing your total to $22,000. The needle is moving, but at a painfully slow crawl. By year 3, you have manually sacrificed $30,000 of your hard-earned wages, but your total balance is just $34,400. That means $30,000 came directly from your sweat, while compound growth added a measly $4,400. This is the dangerous 3-year drop-off zone where 80% of people throw their hands up and quit. You are doing all the heavy lifting, while compounding interest feels completely invisible. But if you refuse to give up and push all the way to year 7.84, you finally breach that massive 6-figure summit, $100,000. Look at the final math. Out of your $100,000 portfolio, $78,400 came straight out of your own paycheck. Compounding only generated $21,600. For nearly 8 years, you carried the boulder alone, but the moment you cross this line, the boulder begins rolling on its own. Now watch what happens the moment you cross that 6-figure threshold. The entire math of wealth creation flips completely upside down. To go from $100,000 to $200,000, continuing with that exact same $10,000 annual deposit takes just 5.1 years. You just shaved nearly 3 full years off the clock. To climb from $200,000 to $300,000 takes only 3.78 years. From $300,000 to $400,000 takes just 2.97 years. And from $400,000 to $500,000 takes barely 2.45 years. But here's the most astonishing milestone in all of personal finance. Reaching your entire second $500,000, going from $500,000 all the way to $1 million, takes under 7 years total. Think about the scale of that. You will generate 5 times more net worth in your late compounding stage than you built in your first 8 years of grinding. Why? Because at $100,000, a 7% market return generates $7,000 a year. But once your portfolio reaches $300,000, that same 7% delivers $21,000 every single year in pure compound gains. That is more than double the annual amount you are manually depositing from your day job. At this critical tipping point, your money hires an invisible full-time digital employee that works for you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, earning returns on top of returns while you sleep. But waiting 8 long years to reach this launch pad is painful. Let's look at the 4 accelerators that can cut that timeline directly in half. Knowing that the early math requires intense patience, the real question is, how do you survive the initial grind without burning out or running out of steam? We have 4 proven accelerators that can shrink that 8-year timeline down to under 5 years. But before we reveal accelerator number 1, I want to hear from you. What financial milestone are you actively grinding toward right now? Is it your first $1,000 starter buffer, your first $10,000 safety shield, or are you pushing directly for the $100,000 summit? Drop your goal in the comments below. I read and reply to every single comment. And if this breakdown is giving you clarity, hit that like button right now to help the channel grow. Accelerator number 1, eliminate compounding in reverse. You cannot fill a bathtub with wealth if the drain at the bottom is wide open. High-interest consumer debt, especially credit cards carrying 24 to 29% APR, is mathematically lethal. While the stock market compounds your investments at 7 to 10% annually, high-interest debt compounds against you at triple that speed. If you carry $5,000 on a credit card, it snowballs into $6,400 in just 12 months. You cannot build a six-figure fortress on a foundation of double-digit interest. Clear all toxic debt before aggressive investing. Accelerator number 2. Build the 4-tier micro ladder. Staring at a zero balance and fixating on $100,000 creates psychological exhaustion because the goal feels too distant. Instead, break your climb into 4 achievable tiers. Tier 1 is a $10,000 safety shield in a high-yield savings account. This breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck trap and protects you from surprise emergencies. Tier 2 is $25,000. At this milestone, your monthly compound interest starts paying real-world utility bills like your phone or home internet automatically. Tier 3 is $50,000, the psychological halfway mark where annual returns match several months of your savings. Tier 4 is your final $100,000 launch pad. Ticking off micro goals preserves your momentum and prevents burnout. Accelerator number 3, the dual engine system. Frugality has a hard mathematical ceiling. You can only cut your expenses down to 0, but your income potential is limitless. If you invest $500 a month at 7%, reaching $100,000 takes over 11 years. But if you keep your living baseline stable using our 50-30-20 framework and build a high-income skill, freelance on the side, or secure a career raise to invest an extra $500 a month, bringing your total to $1,000, your timeline plummets to just 6.4 years. You save nearly 5 full years of your life simply by increasing your earning power. Accelerator number 4, mechanical payday automation. Never rely on willpower to save whatever is left at the end of the month. If money sits idle in your primary checking account, you will find a reason to spend it. Set up an automated transfer on payday that moves your 20% wealth allocation directly into your index funds within 24 hours. When you pay your future self first, building wealth becomes frictionless and automatic. Reaching your first $100,000 is a true test of endurance. But once you cross that line, compounding interest takes over the heavy lifting. To calculate your exact timeline and track your climb, download our free net worth and compounding milestone tracker using the link in the pinned comment below. Click the video on screen right now to master our simple 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Subscribe to Self-Made Money, and I will see you in the next breakdown.